Hey there, Binance users! Welcome back to another tutorial where we simplify the world of cryptocurrency for you. Today, I'm here to show you the easiest way to stake your XRP on Binance. Staking is a great way to earn passive income with your crypto holdings. First things first, head over to the Binance homepage. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up and complete the necessary verifications. In the top menu, hover over Finance. This is where you'll find all the financial services Binance offers. From the drop-down, select Simple Earn. This is Binance's program for earning rewards on your crypto assets. Now, you're on the Simple Earn landing page. Here, you can see all the different staking options available. Use the search window to find the XRP subscription plan. This will save you time scrolling through the list. Just type in XRP and it should pop up right away. Make sure you select the correct plan that suits your needs. Next, click on the XRP plan and you'll see an option to subscribe. This is where you start the staking process. Here, enter the amount of XRP you'd like to stake. You can choose to stake a small amount to start with or go all in. Remember, you can stake as much or as little as you want. The flexibility is one of the key benefits of staking on Binance. Once you've entered the amount, double-check everything. It's always good to review your details to avoid any mistakes. Then, hit the confirm button. This will finalize your staking process. And just like that, your XRP is staked. You'll start earning rewards based on the amount you've staked. One of the best parts about staking XRP on Binance is that you can unstake it anytime. This gives you the freedom to manage your assets as you see fit. That means you have full control over your assets at all times. It's that simple. So why wait? The sooner you start, the sooner you can earn. Start staking your XRP on Binance today and make your crypto work for you. The process is straightforward, and the rewards can be quite beneficial.